Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope everyone's having a great day so far because we are back shopping at HomeGoods. I found my little cart, so we're going to go inside and let's see what we could find this week. Still a lot of plants and a lot of the green plants. Some of them look really good, like this one right here. Those leaves look so realistic, and then sometimes you can tell, just right when you see it that it is artificial. I do like that planter. Now this ball is $35 and you can place that like on top of a planter if you want to. Maybe you have one at home, you're just wanting a little extra green, and maybe it's an area where you can't get water to it, or maybe not enough sunlight. Now these are attached with the green with the planter. That planter looks like it's heavy. Those are $150 each. Yeah, those definitely have a price to it, but they look like they're about over 2 feet tall and pretty, and there's a lot of different sizes. So you can see like the smaller ones back over here. I can't reach back there because there's some items in front of me, and our summer decor is already popping up, or even spring. This is a nice set. It's $2,000. It's definitely on the pricier side, but the outdoor sets, they can get expensive. But you have this really nice couch, 2 matching armchairs, and then the coffee table. And it's really nice wood. Now, oh, I like this one. Yeah, that was $70. Some of these are very expensive. I like the size of it, but I'm not sure $70. You definitely want to make sure with any artificial plants, you're dusting them once a week or every other week. Now I have one very similar I bought a couple of weeks ago, $17. That one has a little bit more pink. I do like the purple. That was $30. It's a set of 2. Now, if you have pets or young kids, these really do help out because you don't have to worry about the pets eating them, especially if they are toxic. And a lot of plants that I see that I would love to bring into my home, they are toxic. And I have 3 cats, so I have one in particular who just loves to try to eat everything. Now, we're starting to see some of the Easter pop in. You have these little rabbit greeneries. That one is $60. This is on the top shelf. That was kind of way back there. But those are fun and cute. What do we have over here? Now it looks like 3 moss balls, but these are called kissing balls, and it's $20. Would you place that in a dish, like a decor dish? And we're starting to see the gnomes coming in. I like the gnomes for the outside. I know for the last couple of years, there was gnomes for every season, but these ceramic planters are beautiful. That was $25. I like the little metal bee, but I really like this planter as well. That was $30. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the yellow. And there's a lot of great, beautiful ceramic planters for a really good price. Now this looks like it's just more decor. That one is $13. Put it right next to the bee. And that bee is solar. I'm always extra careful because I don't want to knock anything over. More of the Valentine's Day items. And this is more for crafts. Oh, these are cute. My daughter loves making bracelets. And we have quite a few. If you're looking for some crafts, these are always fun. And there's a few different kits. Now that one is $10. This one that we saw before, that one is $7. So there are some different prices. And then more of the decor. Check out this nutcracker for Valentine's Day. Now that one is about 15 inches tall. And that's $25. So if you're wanting to replace maybe your Christmas nutcrackers for Valentine's, you could definitely do that. We have some garland. That one is $7. Here's another one. This one's very glittery. You can probably see the sparkles. $15. If you're looking for some paper products, these plates are cute. So a set of 16 for $6. I actually have 2 in my hand. And there's some good options. Oh, this is pretty. I like the scallop edges. That one is $6 as well. And if you're looking for some napkins, $6. And we have quite a few options. or even some cocktail napkins. There's about 40 here for $4. I always like these smaller ones. And there's quite a selection. You just have to kind of have the time and go through them. But there's some really cute ones. And mugs. There is still an endless supply of Valentine's Day mugs. This is probably the most I've seen for a theme. Now this one's cute, $7. I like the strawberries. Love is sweet, and you can use that any time of the year. Oh, that one comes with a keychain. But I always feel with hearts, you can use them any time of the year. I like the handle. That one is $6. And we saw some of these pieces last week. The nice thing about buying the pieces like separately, you could make it your own. If you're needing just 2 or 4 or 3, that is up to you. Those mugs are really cute. Or if you kind of want to mix and match, like the stripes, the pink and white stripes are cute. Oh, I like this floral. You can see like the birds. That one is $6 a plate. And we found the matching teapot for the plate we just saw. Oh, that's pretty too. That one is $13. And there's some more mugs back over there. Now, if you're wanting some blue, we have the blue and white. Now, these are really pretty for $5. And you have the silver at the edge. So the mugs definitely not, and plates definitely not microwave safe. And the plate's $6 as well. Oh, they have a few sets. Try to carefully grab that one out. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, that was $4. Okay, that was a little less than the one we picked up earlier. And then over here, I thought they said sur la table in the middle, but that is removable. And that one is $5. So lots of pretty sets. With HomeGoods, this could change every day. Here's another set as well. That was $6. That one might be microwave safe because I don't see any metal trimming. Now this is really cute because you could have it up for Valentine's Day and then all the way up to Easter if you want. Or if you collect bunnies. $25. That's from the brand Blue Sky. That brand can get a little pricey at some stores, but always better pricing here at HomeGoods. Oh, these are cute. The glass bow stirs, or the spoons actually. Those are $10 for a set of 4. And speaking of Easter, it is coming in. Oh, how cute. And these are all ceramic. The bunnies are adorable. That one is $10. And I'm finding this with the kitchen supplies. Oh, the salt and pepper shakers. Okay, those are just too cute to use. I'm not going to check the price because I want to check out this water pitcher. There's so much going on here. It's gorgeous. You have the tulips. You have the bow. You have the bunnies. Oh, this is so pretty. And that one is $30. For as fancy as it is, that's actually not too bad of a price. That is just gorgeous. That's probably the fanciest one I have seen. Oh, these are just so cute. This little dish is really cute too. So I think next week we'll definitely see a lot more. Now, this is adorable. That one is $13 for candy, crackers, bread. That is up to you. Okay, we'll definitely check on this area next week. Now, before Easter, now Easter is April 5th. We have St. Patrick's Day. That's on March 17th. $5 each. The teacup is really cute. Or coffee. We have, of course, our plates and our teapots. The plates are $6 each. And the teapot, $13. and they have a little bit of a metal trim on them. If you are a fan of the Pixar Up, I think this is from Ray Dunn. Yep, $8. That movie made me cry. And there's a couple of them here. And if you're needing any 2-tier trays, check these out. These are so pretty. These are the metal trays. So these definitely hand wash and then dry immediately. So this one is $25. Those are gorgeous. If you're having like a little tea party or just, just place some hors d'oeuvres on there. There's a lot right here. If you're looking for like the gold. Oh, are these attached? No. Oh my goodness. No, they are not attached. So that one is $5. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to walk away. I don't want to break anything. But these canisters are cute. Now these have the gold bow. And those are, let's find the price. $10. Here we go. Oh, there's some matching sets. This is for a creamer. It's so funny. Normally they're on the bottom, but this set, they're all on the side. $6 each. And you can see there's a variety of teacups and saucers. I do like the plates. This is a set of 4. These are definitely not microwave safe. Those are $13 for like little hors d'oeuvres or little sandwiches. But there is a lot of adorable pieces here. There's quite a few. We have the mugs and teacups. Now I like these. They're very simple. You can use these for any occasion. So this is $5. You can use it for dessert. You could use it for anything you want. But those are really pretty. And for $5. Oh, I'm loving the black and white stripe. Oh, this is super cute. I like the little gold trim. So that one is $5 for the mug. Oh, look at this plate. This plate is gorgeous. I like the scallop edge. I'm trying not to turn it. $6. Oh, wow. Those are really pretty pieces. And then these coordinate with it as well. Still has the gold trim. And that was $5. Oh, these are really pretty. And I always like that there are pieces that will coordinate with each other. And then we have, of course, the white and red. We could use this for Christmas. We could use it for 4th of July, for Valentine's Day. So many different holidays. Oh, this is cute with the embossed hearts. Oh, I like this mug. That was $6. But I'm going to put it down. I don't need any mugs. But this is really cute. This coupe with the glass hearts attached. That one is $7. Lots of pretty pieces. And I know they have the red and white for Valentine's Day. And they match with the little red mugs and the coupes. Now, if you are putting together any charcuterie boards, maybe for Valentine's Day, maybe with the big games, we have the playoffs. And of course, February 8th is the big one. That is the Super Bowl day. And these serving trays, if you're putting something together, not only for charcuterie, any kind of just a grazing platter for dessert, vegetables, definitely check these out. So we saw the long ones last week. They were $16 to $20. This one is $25, but that locking lid makes it so much easier. You could prepare it ahead of time, have it in your refrigerator, or prepare it, maybe take it over to a friend or a relative's home. That was $20. So there are some different prices. And some of them have the grooves inside. Some of them are totally smooth. But those are always good to have on hand. Oh, this butter dish is really cute. I've never seen one with a wood base. $15. And we have a couple of options as well. Yeah, those are really cute. Oh, I like this cheese knife set for $8. I think I'm gonna pick this up. I've been needing one of these. And if you're looking for, these are mostly 40-ounce cups. We have the traditional Stanley. How much is this one here? I'm not finding a price. Let's see if I can find another one. Now these are cute for $17. And you can use that anytime. And it looks like the straw is a flip up. You can see right on top. Some pretty designs. Oh, there's some more Stanleys down here. Let's see if these have a price. Kind of curious how much they are here. $30 each. Okay, that's about average. But there's some different sizes too. Not only 40 ounces. And these are really becoming popular. These lamps could heat up a candle, have the scent without any open flame. There's so many different ones. Now, I really like the glass on this one. It has a price. That one is $40. But this is gorgeous. And then some have like a cloth lampshade, some have a ceramic. So there's so many different ones, different price points. That one is about $30. That one's $25. And we can see the Easter is coming out. So hopefully next week it'll all be out. And for game days, definitely check these out. If you're needing some fun paper plates, ready, set, eat. Oh, that's cute. $4 for 16. And then for basketball, we have the banner. I've never seen a basketball banner. That's actually really cool. That was $15. More plates over here. That was $7. So there's a nice little variety. And the food picks, a set of 12. And this one is $7. Ooh, those sliders look good. So definitely check out your local HomeGoods, and you can check them a couple times a week because there's always new products. They're always bringing out something every day. And here it is. Oh, wow. I didn't know they really made merchandise for the Super Bowl. $4. Well, everyone, I think we're going to go ahead and head on out. Thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.